Welcome back, everyone. If you or someone you know uses a CPAP machine, listen up, my friends. Some of those devices may be producing harmful compounds, which then could easily slip into your airway or your stomach. Certain models have even been recalled because of that possibility. Ed Herman from the law firm Brown & Crouppen joins us this morning. He's been watching this closely. He's got some details. Ed, why were these products recalled? I know it's voluntary, but why did the manufacturer make the choice to recall them?
Well, and I always do appreciate a voluntary recall, and this is by a company, Philips, that makes these, because it's an acknowledgement on their part that there's something dangerous here, and they recognize that they're responsible for it, and I'm glad they're taking responsibility, and that they're trying to limit the number of people adversely affected. Basically, for those people who don't know, CPAP, there are a lot of people with sleep apnea that sleep with one of these devices. If you have never slept with one, you probably know somebody that has. They're very important. They're a great device. They help people survive. Sleep apnea is a very serious condition. But on these particular models, they used a foam in the mechanism. The idea of the foam was to try to make the machine quieter, because obviously people are trying to sleep with this machine next to them. So it was an ambitious and worthwhile goal. But unfortunately, the foam disintegrates and it outgasses, which is a fancy way for saying that it gets expelled into the machine and then breathed into the lungs all through the night of the people that were using these. And unfortunately, a wide variety of cancers have been connected to the breathing in of this polyurethane.
So what kinds of medical issues are we talking about here?
Just about all the cancers. I would suggest to anybody, this is what I would do. We can research it. We'll find out the machine you are using, because Philips makes a lot of these machines. They recalled 18 different models, including some of their most popular ones from their Dreamland or Dream Family, I don't remember what it's called, series. But those are, you're talking about millions of these machines. If you use a CPAP and you have developed any type of cancer or other medical issue that seems to have come up, give us a call. We can look into it. We'll see what machine you were using, whether it was connected to this, whether your type of injury is the kind that's being associated with this. And then we can tell you what your options are. And we can do that. You don't pay us anything just to investigate. As you know, we only get paid if we're successful getting somebody a recovery. But this is definitely one. And I've used a CPAP machine in the past. Thank God I don't need to use one now. But it's a pretty scary thought to think that what I was breathing in wasn't just good, clean air, but instead was, carcinogens.
Yeah, that's unfortunate. And it is the Philips Dream Station line that you were referring to. And again, you can just,
what it was.
Yep,
Thank you.
I know there's a million of these products out there. Ed, thank you very much. So here's what you can do. If you think you or a loved one might have gotten sick as a result of using one of these devices, or you're just wondering if your device is on the recall list, get in touch with Brown & Crouppen. You can call them anytime at 314-222-2222 or visit their website. That's getbc.com.
There's